Good evening, friends. Welcome back to your daily dose of medical news. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2026. We have massive updates in cancer treatment, a game-changing FDA approval for weight loss, and some crucial tips for Alzheimer's prevention.
Top stories today. 1. Pancreatic cancer. A new drug trial doubles survival rates.
2. Obesity. The oral pill Foundayo, orforglipron, enters the market. 3. Cancer tech. Roche's new lupus treatment gets FDA review.
4. Neurology. White leg strength is your brain's best friend.
Story 1. Pancreatic cancer breakthrough, elraglusib. Host, let's start with a significant breakthrough in one of the most challenging areas of oncology, pancreatic cancer. The news, Actuate Therapeutics released results from a 233-patient trial showing their experimental drug, elraglusib, combined with chemotherapy, doubled survival rates at 1 year compared to chemo alone, 44% versus 22%. How it works, the drug inhibits a protein called GSK3-beta, which helps cancer cells survive and evade the immune system. The data, patients in the trial lived a median of 10.1 months, compared to 7.2 months with standard chemotherapy. Why it matters, pancreatic cancer has a low survival rate. This provides cautious optimism for patients who have limited options. Story 2, the new oral GLP-1 era, Foundayo. Next up, the obesity epidemic. The era of no-needle weight loss is here. The news had FDA approved Foundayo, orforglipron, on April 1st, and it's now hitting the market for weight loss. What is it? It is the first oral GLP-1 receptor agonist that can be taken without food or water restrictions, making it much more convenient than early versions. Impact, it's a game changer for adults with obesity or weight-related conditions. Context, Eli Lilly is fast-tracking these oral options, and 2026 is shaping up to be the year orals challenge injectables in accessibility.
Story 3, lupus treatment breakthrough, Gazyva/Gazivaro. In rheumatology, a major step forward for lupus treatment.
The news, the FDA has accepted a supplemental application from Roche for Gazyva/Gazivaro, obinutuzumab, to treat systemic lupus erythematosus, SLE. Why it's special, if approved, this would be the first anti-CD20 therapy to directly target B cells in SLE. Results, the Phase 3 Allegory study showed a significant reduction in disease activity compared to the placebo. Timing, a final FDA decision is expected by December 2026.
Story 4, neuroscience, leg strength and Alzheimer's.
Now for a fascinating, practical tip from neurologists regarding your brain health. The news, new research indicates that strengthening your legs can slash your Alzheimer's risk by up to 47%. The mechanism, it's not just about muscle. Exercises that challenge your legs, like walking, cycling, help strengthen connections between the brain and muscles. How to apply, neurologists suggest focusing on leg day at the gym or simple daily exercises to boost brain power. You don't need heavy weights to see results.
Quick hit/rapid fire. Host, here are some quick-fire headlines you need to know today.
FDA reductions. The FDA has met its first-year goals for reducing animal testing, implementing human-relevant alternatives to speed up drug development. Dialysis innovation. New, low-cost Indian-developed filters, as low as 150 to 200 Indian rupees, are set to make dialysis affordable in rural areas. HIV management, FDA approved Advinso, doravirine/islatravir, on April 21st, a new, once-daily, 2-drug regimen for virologically suppressed HIV-1 patients.
Vaccination during pregnancy.
Concomitant influenza and pertussis vaccination during pregnancy was not tied to an increased rate of adverse outcomes compared with pertussis vaccination alone. There was no difference in the rate of preterm birth or the odds of small for gestational age or low birth weight between matched concomitant and control groups. The findings may help clinicians more confidently recommend pregnancy vaccination concomitantly and potentially provide more opportunities to optimize uptake, the researchers noted, MedPage Today.
Age-related memory loss.
Gut bacteria, particularly Parabacteroides goldsteini, may contribute to age-related memory loss by affecting brain function through inflammatory pathways. This discovery highlights the potential of targeting gut-brain connections to address cognitive decline. Medscape. Suppressing a sneeze may have led to a spontaneous leak of cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, and air entering the skull of a woman with no history of trauma or surgery. MedPage today.
Conclusion and outro.
Host, that's it for our medical news roundup on April 22nd, 2026. A massive day for cancer research and a big step forward in convenient obesity treatment. What do you think of oral weight loss drugs? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the fast-moving world of medicine. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Disclaimer: compiled information. The audience/viewers must verify the contents before use. The creator, publisher, and YouTube will not be responsible for any harm.